Oh, wow.
You're gonna be amazed at how flirty they look. This is mascara. I'm gonna put this on the top and the bottom lashes. Mascara is super important. This stuff builds really well and looks really nice and thick. So I'm just gonna like put that on the lower lashes too.
Mega Volume Mascara. So we'll see how this works. Look at how lifted and alive I look. Mascara though, A++.
Finish the look off using a couple coats of the Almay Thickening Mascara. This mascara really builds beautifully on top of itself without getting clumpy, and it's gonna give you very voluminous, flirty lashes. Super flirty.
Like this video, subscribe to Almay, follow them everywhere, and yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!